Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Mars Perseverance Rover from the Hot Wheels Space Series. And I've never opened one of these. I've sold a few of them when they first came out back in, I think, 2010, somewhere around there. The first edition ones. I was selling them when they were popular. I saved a couple and then somebody just insisted they needed them and I ended up selling them to them too. So this is my first one opening. Don't see anything special on it. But what does that? Maybe something moves. Maybe. Let's find out. Six-wheeler. Ooh, that rotates right there. There's your movement. Look at that. The paint's all chipped up already. Can you see that? All chipped. 99-cent cars, you never know. Never know what you're going to get. All three of those wheels roll well. All three of those wheels roll well. And this white, not this piece, but everything else is metal. The black is plastic. And clear plastic on the bottom. Transparent, clear plastic. Bumming out about that error right there. Not a real error, but a defect, I would call it. NASA on the front. That's kind of cool. Let's see how it rolls. Six-wheeler. How clean those wheels are right now. Very clean wheels. Let's see if we get some pollen on it. Maybe the rain washed it away. Oh, it comes all the way back. I love that. I love when they come back like that. Oh, comes off the track on the return backwards. Nice. Not too much pollen this time. Mars Perseverance Rover. And this is the 2021 edition. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. And please subscribe.